Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I know we haven't posted in a really long time, but we're getting back into posting, so stay tuned for new videos. So today's video will be how to make an origami cat, like this one. As you can see, it can stand up, and if you want to tape it somewhere, you would flatten it out like this. Alright, so you'll need a square sheet of paper, and let's get started. The first step is to fold corner to corner. And crease it. Next, unfold it and fold this edge into the middle crease. Make sure you make very sharp creases with your nail or other hard object, because it will make the rest of the folding easier. Fold the other side in. And crease. Now what you want to do is fold this corner up to here. And crease it like that. Now you want to fold this corner to touch this point right here. So fold it like this and crease it. Now you're going to do the same with the other side. Fold it in like that and crease it. Now you want to unfold this point and then fold this corner to touch this point right here. Now you want to unfold these two flaps and turn the paper over, and then fold this up here. Gently flatten it out at first, and then you can use your nails to crease it. Now turn it over and fold these two flaps in again. And now what you want to do is collapse it like this. Flatten this part out, and then put your finger in here, and you can collapse this part as well. Like that. Make sure that the inside has no problems and that it's completely flat. Now, what you want to do is take this edge right here and fold it in so that it touches this one right here. So the corner should not touch the middle. And do the same with the other side. Crease these. Your nails. Now unfold them, and then we're gonna collapse. I'm gonna collapse it like this. So this will make like a little parallelogram. Like that. And then do the same with this side. We'll fold it in and collapse it like this. So it should look like this. And now fold this side over the other side and fold this edge to here. And increase. Unfold it and then fold these two to the other side and do the same thing. Now unfold it and unfold this side as well. So you want to fold this side over again and push this up. Pull this side over and then collapse it like this. Do the same with the other side. Fold it over, push this side up, and then collapse it. So you want to fold this side onto each other to make that. And now you're going to do the body. So fold it inside like this. Fold it in half like this. And fold this part down here. Like that. Increase it. Unfold it. And then we're going to open this part up and press down like that. And then you end up like this. Now you want to unfold this and fold this part up like that. And flatten this out. Now turn it like this. Unfold this part and push the face down like this. You could also fold the nose down to make a flatter nose. And I'm going to fold the arms out like this if you want it to stand. You can press it behind the ears as well to fold it. And there you have it. Origami cat that can stand. Thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for the next video.